A European satellite that measures the Earth's wind using lasers had a close encounter with one of SpaceX Starlink constellation on September 3rd. In a situation that illustrates the growing inadequacy of the existing system for global coordination of orbital issues. It is getting crowded up there. The near miss was announced on Twitter by the European Space Agency operation team that for the first time ever, ESA has performed a collision avoidance maneuver to protect one of its satellites from colliding with mega constellations. To be clear, and as ESA explained, these maneuvers are actually very common, but they are almost always to avoid debris and dead satellites, not active ones. That's what seems to have happened here. The Starlink satellite, one of 60 launched earlier this year, somehow found itself on a potential collision course. SpaceX and ESA exchanged emails on August 28th. When the chance of two craft colliding was around 1 in 50,000, they determined no action was necessary. But a subsequent update from the US Air Force tracking infrastructure changed that they estimate to be about 1 in 600. With a new and scary probability of a collision, either ESA or the SpaceX has to change the orbit. Unfortunately, SpaceX was not aware of the new probability estimate from the Air Force, and as such preserved in addition not to adjust its satellite trajectory. As a result, ESA had to make its own maneuver. And in a statement, SpaceX said that a bug in our on-call paging system prevented the Starlink operator from seeing the follow-on correspondence on its probability increases. Had the Starlink operator seen the correspondence, we would have coordinated with ESA to determine the best approach with their continuing with their maneuver or performing a maneuver.